Hey guys, now the CN M396 or M394 eastbound train is moving. They have a blinking green up there. After meeting the CN M301 westbound train just now, so cool. Yep, that's the only westbound, that's what I thought. So that's a big train. And that westbound is big. So is the first one. This one's pretty big, I think, too. Oh yeah, it's pretty big. He's moving now, so that's good. All the cars can get through, and that's a good thing. Cool. Yeah, I can see the blinking green up there. See it? This train had 2 engines. This one, if this is M394, it might be a DCU. I doubt it. This one might be M396. After the heat, maybe we can try catch it and pour it down again. Maybe we'll go to the party store or something. We'll try, okay? I don't know how much time I have. Maybe we'll try it, go to the party store and catch this guy, you know? He's moving now. Cool. Emmett, Michigan's always a cool place to watch trains, you know? Especially at night. Yeah, it's still blinking. It hasn't passed the signal. It's starting to speed up. We might not catch it then. We'll try, but filming it here real quick, we'll try. We may go faster than that, I don't know. That signal should go red in a minute. Here, get the signal. Sorry, it's okay. Oh, it's red. That's a big train, huh? It's on the bar line. Uh-oh, auto act. That's it. That train was pretty short. Well, we'll try catching it again at the party store if we have time. There goes Emmett, Michigan. Let's get the gates. Oh, never mind. They went up. Sorry, the gates are already up. Alright, Emmett, Michigan.